and end on the day of the election. It begins with the entire process. And so if the process is already leaning against independent candidates, then this is something that will actually nullify the election before the election starts. The independent candidates are coming in very strong. If you look at the data, in the last election, the NCAs, the independent NCAs who are vying, the total votes that they got was 3.2 million. This was more than the total votes that ODM got. It was only less than what Jubilee got. So you can see that the second biggest players and a key stakeholder in this election are independent candidates. And so they need to be given special attention. If you look at the members of National Assembly, we find that independent candidates were number 3 with 1.8 million votes accumulated across the country. So this is a part of Kenya that you cannot wish away, and come up with regulations that stop these people from participating in the election. In the 2013 election, you find that there was only one independent MCA. In the